Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to give Robux to friends without using a group. I was helping a friend get some Robux the other day, and we didn't want to deal with creating a whole group just for that. Turns out, there's much simpler way using a game pass. So here's what I did. I went into Roblox, opened the create section, and headed to the dashboard. From there, I selected one of my experiences, then went into monetization and choose passes. I created a new pass. Honestly, I just named it something like donation, and once it was created, I opened it and set it for sale with the amount of Robux I wanted to receive. Keep in mind, Roblox takes a cut, so you won't get the full amount. After saving it, I copied the link to the pass and sent it to my friend. All they had to do was open the link and buy it. It's basically like sending Robux, just with a small workaround, and it works surprisingly well. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.